Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at our Diamond Cut Deluxe compound. Diamond Cut Deluxe is a modern, fast-acting, body shop-safe car polishing compound designed to remove 800 grit or finer sand scratches and blemishes. Diamond Cut Deluxe will remove swirls and scratches faster than any other compound. Diamond Cut Deluxe's formula allows for a high-gloss, haze-free finish and very little dust. This is the fastest acting compound we've ever offered, and we're sure you'll be impressed by the results. Diamond Cut Deluxe is the recommended compound for medium to heavy-duty paint correction prior to ceramic coatings. As you can see here, the test hood that we keep in the shop has seen much better days. The swirls all over the hood need to be corrected before we can seal or wax it. So I'm going to be using Diamond Cut Deluxe in one of our Lake Country 6 1/4 inch microfiber cutting pads to get the job done. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on Diamond Cut Deluxe or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.